2:20 remaining. The Knick lead has been cut to 3. Rose pulls up and hits.
Quinn, when you have a... Yeah, that's just a tough shot. Knicks needed that one.
As we hit 2 minutes remaining, 5-point lead for the Knicks. McConnell cuts it to 3. For Saric, guarded by Rose. Thomas over to help. Out to McConnell, puts up a 3 and hits. Out to a minute 10 remaining, 5 on the 24. Anthony looking for his shot. He nails it. Okafor inside, spinning on O'Quinn. Okafor cuts the Knick lead back down to 1. Orange. Henderson from 3, in and out, kept alive by Saric. Thomas hit the floor, O'Quinn with the block. Here's Covington.
It's tough shots, but this is the rebound the Knicks needed. Got to get that rebound. Lance Thomas thought he got pushed, didn't get the call.
Into the corner. Okafor, 10 seconds remaining. Okafor puts it up and hits. Sixers take a 1-point lead with 9 seconds remaining.
And Jahlil Okafor, if you guard him one-on-one, he's going to score. Got to bring a double team on him, force someone else to beat you.
Down to 5. Anthony guarded by Covington. 3 seconds. Carmelo shoots and hits. Carmelo Anthony with 0.3 of a second remaining. Knicks lead by 1.
That's what Melo does. Well defended, can't stop that step back. Lethal, deadly. Look at that look.
Ended by Anthony. To the basket, picked off by O'Quinn. Knicks win it, 110-109.